Hey everybody, I'm Michael DiTullo. Welcome to my studio. And today I'm going to be covering a quick sketch technique using a sketchbook and an iPad Pro. So if you follow me on Instagram, and you should, you probably know that I travel a lot for work. Usually at least once a month, going to visit clients on site or manufacturing facilities or running workshops. So a lot of times I need to ideate while I'm traveling. So what I'll often do is combine working analog and digital. What this does for me, I tend to just kind of like to scratch in my sketchbook and get kind of ideas out. It gives me the freedom to do that. But then once I get this kind of sketch moving and get it to a place that I like, I'll take a quick snap just with my iPad camera. Right? And now I'll open up the Procreate app and insert that photo into the Procreate app and then literally start attacking that sketch. So here, just adding a little bit of shading to thumbnail sketches, just really quick. And then I have a little bit of a more main view queued up here on this secondary page. Let's zoom into that. And you can see just, again, adding color, adding shade. And the way I'm doing this is I'm adding layers on top of the sketchbook layer, right? That there's the image layer placed in Procreate, but I'm placing layers on top and I'm setting those layers to multiply, right? And so when I set that layer to multiply, all the shading and color that I'm adding is basically becoming transparent. It's just multiplying down what's on the layer below it, which is the sketch. Now at the end, I'll add this highlight layer, right? So that I'm not setting to multiply, that I'm leaving as just is, or sometimes I'll set that layer to screen. So that is just adding over top the white. And then I'm carefully erasing back out the white so I'm not interrupting my lines so much. And this is just a quick technique I use on the go to get a pretty nice showable sketch. It's not a polished rendering by any stretch of the imagination. But this sketch I would feel comfortable showing a client and having a conversation around. So there you go. That's a real quick sketch technique I like to use when I'm traveling. Try it out. You know, there's all kinds of ways you can combine it together. If I sketch on a clean sheet of paper, obviously it's easier to keep that final sketch even cleaner. Sometimes I do it all digitally, just in the iPad, but sometimes it's nice to be in the sketchbook and kind of feel the page. What do you think? Do you do something similar to this technique? Let me know down in the comments. If you like videos like this, you know what to do. Hit like, hit subscribe, maybe share it with a friend. Till next time.